Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, I am in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm in some pretty cool spots. So I'm just gonna do a fun vlog, just do some background B-roll shots, but I'm here, I wanted to get some cool video. So other than that, enjoy the ride, stay positive, here we go, let's go.